Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, we're going to presenting the manual testing that we did on Temu system. So first, we're going to look at the login module. First test case, we need to verify valid user by entering correct username and password. So we're going to start by launching the app using the URL, and then we are going to enter the valid email as username and its password. As you can see, the testing on login is successful as we are in the system. Next, we have test case 1B, where the system must be able to verify invalid user. First, by entering incorrect username only, and then entering incorrect password only, and lastly, entering both incorrect username and password. So for the first one, we are entering the invalid email as the username. So the testing is successful, where it shows the alert message, please enter a valid email address. Next, we are going to enter incorrect password. And here, the testing is also successful, as the system shows alert message incorrect password. And lastly, for both incorrect username and password, it is not applicable to this Temu system since the system does not allow combined testing where the username should be validated first.
First, let's take a look at the positive test case for record module, where we have to enter correct input according to condition for attribute name, phone, email, state, and gender. For the system, the attribute that are related is name, phone, and state. For the attribute email and gender, we replace it with attribute postal code and address. Let's proceed with add new address. Okay, first we will add a new address. Okay, then we have to enter the value for this attribute: name, full name, phone number, postal code, state, city, and house number. So let's save into the system. In the system, we reply the new address is saved. Next, we will take a look at negative test case for add record module, where we have to enter the value for name, phone, email, state, and gender, enter incorrect phone number, and enter incorrect email address. Reminder, in our system for attribute email and gender, we replace it with postal code and address. Okay, so next, let's see how we do the negative test case result. We put the value to each attributes. Okay, so if you want to save it into the system, it is failed. We have to enter to the condition. It will give out warning. Please enter a full name. Please enter phone number so we can call if there are any issues with delivery. Please enter a 5-digit postal code. Please select state, select city, and please enter a street address. Next is invalid condition for phone number. Okay, so here as you can see, if we put 234, the system will warn us phone number should be a 9 until 10 digit number and no other characters. Okay, for postal code, if we enter 23 for example, it will tell us please enter a 5-digit postal code. Okay.
And now I will explain about search record module. So first is search for items. So I will search for sandals. And the system successfully display the sandals. Next, I will show you if the system can sort items from highest to the lowest price. So I will click the sort by button and choose price high to low. As you can see, the system successfully sort the sandal from highest to lowest price. Then I will show you if the system can sort item from lowest to highest price. So I will click on sort by and choose price low to high. And you can see the system successfully sort the sandals from lowest to highest price. Lastly, I will show you gender based item. And yeah, the system successfully show men's sandals.
Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate two scenarios related to the delete functionality on Temu. First, I will show how to delete an item from the cart, and then I will demonstrate how to cancel the deletion by not clicking the delete button. Here is the cart with several items added. Now let's go ahead and delete one of them. To delete this item, I will click the dustbin icon next to it. Once I click the dustbin icon, a pop-up message appears confirming that the item has been successfully removed. As you can see, the item has been removed from the cart and the pop-up message confirms the deletions. The item is removed and the cart updates automatically to reflect the change. Now I will demonstrate how to cancel the delete operations. Here's another item I could remove. I will hover over the dustbin icon, but I won't click it. As you can see, the item remains in the cart because I didn't click the dustbin icon. The delete operation was effectively cancelled by not clicking it.
I will continue with the last module, which is change new password module. And for the test case 5A, enter old password and new password. So enter old password and enter new password and press submit button. And it will show that added password successfully. So next we move to the next test case 5B. First one is enter old password with incorrect password. So enter the old password first and enter the new password and submit. It will show that old password is incorrect password. Okay, so next case is enter new password with character less than 8. So enter old password and enter new password and submit. Okay, it will show that new password must be at least 8 characters. And for the last case is enter old password and new password with the same characters. So we enter the old password and new password with the same characters as old password. It will show that new password cannot be the same as your old password.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.